don't even want to get my hiking sticks out because I'm trying to keep my hands warm. What the hell? I'm not used to these cold temperatures. We're gonna walk 6 kilometers here to Carrion de los Condes. Stock up on some food, hit the store there, and then after that, you know, that's how far we got to go to Santiago. Not quite to the halfway point. Sometimes you just get in the zone and you walk. You don't know what you're thinking of, or you're not thinking of anything, you know? Whatever, that wasn't important. Grocery store, because I checked and my albergue does not have a kitchen. Anyway, this is a nice big town. It's got a supermarket, and that's where we're going next. Actually, we're gonna do coffee first. We're gonna do coffee first, then we're gonna hit the supermarket. At 5 kilometers without coffee, without breakfast. And now we're crossing the street into Carrion de los Condes. And I'm going to get and we're gonna get some coffee. Actually, the town's just waking up. The kids are going to school. I just saw a bus drop off. A bus load of them back there. Town's just waking up. So we're still looking for coffee, and we're still on the Camino way right here. Look at this beautiful statue of a pilgrim. Let me show you. I don't remember what I said and what I didn't say, because half the time I look down at my phone and it's not recording. Okay, there's a post office right there. I can't believe it. I've been looking for a post office for a long time. Whatever. I came here to tell you about this statue. First of all, let me show you the Spanish flag. I love this flag. Here's the beautiful statue. Pre-made salad, which is going to be lunch. I've got some gigantic sunflower seeds, some like sweetener for my coffee, cheese, some mixed nuts, and some strawberries. But it's warming up little by little. I need to find a place to put this bag of groceries on my bag back here, because we still have 17 kilometers at least to go to the town. But I'm stoked. I got some food. Carrion de los Condes. And it's a beautiful dry day, but chilly still. It's probably only warmed up to about 45. A nice Pilgrim's store in here. Little tchotchkes, Camino stuff. It's a nice big plaza in Carrion. This must be the municipale, and this tells me to go this way. So I got some postcards, and the guy in the store said you can get stamps at the tobacceria, so that's where we're going. We're gonna hit the trail again, and I found 2 stamps at the tobacceria, so you know who's getting a postcard pretty soon. I don't know how long it takes though. We're just about ready to leave the town of Carrion, and this says, hey, the next drinkable water is not for 16 kilometers. Well, that's nice that they let you know. Let's hit the road. With a huge traffic circle right in the middle of it. There's this wonderful statue here I want to show you guys. New maps that I've seen on the Camino. We just left Carrion here. Walked about, I don't know, a kilometer. And then we have about 16 kilometers of really nothing. There's a food truck in here somewhere. This is my stop for tonight. And then after that, I'm going to reach Sahagun, which is the halfway point of the Camino, guys. Let's go! I do not play the guitar, and I do not play the piano, although I had lessons in both. Listen, I don't play them. Those Instagram videos are just kind of a joke, but you're very, very sweet to think I'm that talented. Stretch, there's very little on here. About 5 kilometers outside of Carrion, there's some benches. If you're not looking carefully, you're gonna miss them. Kind of have to look back to see them, but there are benches. And so now I'm just looking for that food truck, which is, if it's halfway in between Carrion and my destination, it's still another 3 kilometers up. And now I'm getting warm, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers on. So it's getting warm, but earlier I was freezing. Yeah. Not looking bad at all. I have 5 kilometers to go, and my feet are actually hurting a little bit. Gone about 17 kilometers, and it's just really, really a desolate part of the Camino. Almost zero services. And if you have to go to the bathroom, you're SOL. Unless you wild pee. And see behind me, well, there's just nothing. You got pilgrims coming and you're looking for a place to skedaddle into the woods and go, but there's just not that. Very windswept day, but it's beautiful. And look at the sky, guys. Still gonna wait till I hit the town to answer the call of nature. But look here. This says I have 400 kilometers to go to Santiago. Woohoo! I'm not mistaken. Should be able to see my town just when we get over this ridge. I'm so mistaken. I don't see anything. Nothing as far as you can see. I thought I was nearly there. Let's go. Let's get her done. Baby, purple pineapple flowers. Look. Look at them. Hi, ladies. You know what that makes me want? Pizza. Went over the second ridge, and this is what I saw. So I turned on some music edits too, and I've decided I'm going to memorize that song before the end of the Camino. I dig it. I'm beat. I feel like I got a blister coming on my left foot. I don't know. I'm too tired to take everything off and check it, and then my right calf hurts and I can't see. Look. There's nothing there. I know it's just right over the edge, but I'm tired. I'm so tired. My calf hurts for some reason. If it's not over this ridge, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do, but I do see a tiny roof over there. See that? Let's hope that's our town. Things start hurting. I'm pretty sure I got a blister now on the ball of my left foot. I don't know. I'm not bitchy. I'm just, and what the hell's up with my right calf hurting? I think there's only one thing that will cure what ails me. You know what that is. This is where I'm going after I check in. I'm gonna get a nice, cold, big beer. I've stayed in that albergue before, and then the one next to it. And over here, Los Canarios is the one I'm staying in tonight. I gotta check that blister, dude. I'm pretty sure I've got one. They are full, so it's a good thing I got a reservation. Let's go in. Let's check in. I guess we're gonna ring the bell. Let's ring it.